Welcome to our short seated meditation practice. My name is Laura, and I'll be guiding you through about 5 minutes of easy mindfulness. Now remember that mindfulness is not a cure or a solution for things like anxiety or worry. It is simply one of the tools we have to recognize what is happening in our bodies, with our breath, in our immediate circumstances, and avoid or even just become aware of what those things are and choose to continue with them or to let them go. We'll start this practice by coming onto any comfortable seat and shift yourself a little bit forward. And so the sits bones, those sitting bones underneath you, really feel a connection, and you have to use a little bit of ab stabilization in order to hold your spine up nice and straight. The soles of your feet resting flat on the ground. See if you can encourage roughly a 90-degree angle at the knee, the hip, and allow your spine to rise up straight and tall. Maybe that means tucking your chin in slightly to elongate the back of your neck. Maybe it means rolling your shoulders up, back, and down to bring a little more space between your ears and shoulders. Take a moment to notice if you feel balanced, considering front and back, left and right, and bringing yourself in whatever alignment feels most natural for you. And we start by gently scanning the body, looking for any areas of tightness or tension, noticing the feet, ankles, lower legs, knees, the upper legs, buttocks, waist, torso, spine, and feeling your fingers, hands, wrists, lower arms, elbows, your upper arms, shoulders, upper back, neck. Noticing your jaw, your face, the back of your head. As you become aware of the physical sensations in your body, doing your best not to judge, not to consider that anything is better or worse. Wherever you are right now is perfect. And having become aware of your body, start to bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change or alter anything. Simply feeling the in-breath, the out-breath, unhurried, unforced, meeting yourself where you are right now. And perhaps you notice the coolness of the air as it comes in through your nostrils. Maybe there's a sensation at the back of your throat, through your windpipe, your upper chest. Maybe you feel the sides of your rib cage expand. Perhaps you notice your breath in your belly, maybe your back. Simply noticing where your breath travels. And we'll take a few mindful, easy breaths in and out at your own pace, unhurried, unforced. There is no wrong way to breathe. You breathe naturally easily, mindfully. To close our practice, we'll take 3 big breaths together. If it's comfortable for you, in through the nose and out through the mouth. If that doesn't work, then whatever way feels good for you. We'll inhale to a count of 4 and exhale for 6. I'll count us through, so there's no need for you to worry. We'll start with a full exhale. Through the nose, in, 2, 3, 4. Through the mouth, out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Through the nose, in, 3, 2, 1. Through the mouth, out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last round, in, 3, 2, 1. Out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And breathe. Feeling yourself return to a normal rhythm of breath. Allowing yourself to keep some of this mindfulness as you travel through your day.